I can write equivalent ratios. Here we have a picture of 7 cans of paint. These 7 cans of paint can paint murals on 3 walls. But let's say instead we have 28 cans of paint. How many walls can we paint with a bunch of beautiful murals? Well, we used to have 7 cans of paint, and now we have 28. That is 4 times as much paint. So we'll be able to paint 4 times as many walls. 3 times 4 is 12. 12 walls. We can also kind of think about that with the picture. This top row here would be 3 walls, and then another 3, and another 3, and another 3, just to confirm that it would be 12. All right, let's take a peek at another. All right, I have a recipe, and it makes these mini cakes. And it takes 3 eggs to make 2 of the mini cakes. So I wrote that as a ratio here. But I want to make 6 mini cakes. How many eggs do I need? Well, to get from 2 to 6, I'm going to multiply by 3. I'm tripling the amount that I want. So I'm also going to triple the number of eggs. And 3 times 3 is 9. Let's try some without a picture. All right, so the easiest way to help figure out that missing number is to choose the smallest out of these 3 numbers. So in this case, it's the 3. And you're going to see if you can multiply it by anything to make the number that's below it or possibly above it, or the number to the side. Well, if we go down below, 3 can't multiply by anything to make 5, so let's go across. 3 times what number is 6? 3 times 2 is 6. And we're going to do the same thing to the other side, whether the side is the left and right or the top and the bottom. So we're going to multiply by 2 down here as well. And 5 times 2 is 10. All right, the next one over here. Start with the smallest number and see if you can multiply it by anything to make the number across from it or below it. In this case, we can make the 1 down below. 2 times what number is 6? 3. So we're also going to multiply by 3 over here. 25 times 3. 3/4. 75. All right, let's try this next one. Our smallest number is 1. We could multiply by something to make 8, or we can multiply by something to make 3. We have some options. Just because I haven't had the arrows yet go in reverse to the left, I'm going to go that way. So 1 times what number is 8? 8. So I'm also going to multiply by 8 down here, and I'm following the direction of the arrow. 3 times 8 is 24. All right, over here, my smallest number is 9. I'm going to see if I can multiply it by something to make x or 81. Let's go up this way. 9 times what is 81? 9. So we're also going to multiply by 9 over here. This one's silly. If we follow the arrows, we have to figure out what we started with. So what number times 9 is 27? If I can't think of it, I can also go from top to bottom and then change this to division. 27 divided by 9 is 3. Or 3 times 9 is 27. Also to note, the number that I'm multiplying by is called my scale factor.